Just looks really, really cool. Looks kind of like a Clone Wars era lightsaber blade width, right? There's a little less diffusion, obviously, in a 7/8 inch blade where we still have 3 strips of LEDs to make this TRI-STAR. It actually looks quite smooth. I'm very happy with the way that looks. I'm testing out 2 TRI-STARs made by Reese from Civilized Sabers. Let's take a look at the first one. This one is a 1-inch blade. Both of these TRI-STARs are actually 36 inches long, which means they have approximately 136 LEDs per side or per strip on here. So we're talking over 350 LEDs inside each one of these blades. We've got 3 strips. Let's go ahead and see what they look like. Wow, the red always looks super, super awesome to me with these TRI-STARs. I just want to make sure that these blades work really, really well before we send them out to Eric. Eric, thank you so much for your patience in waiting for these blades. We've actually had them done for a little while, but we haven't made the video yet, so I wanted to test it out and also make the video. We've sanded these blades so that it has a nice satin finish to it, gives it a little extra diffusion. Both of these blades are trans white, semi-transparent, and they have like a white tint to the actual blade tube itself. And then I sand that. I am testing with a Graflex style lightsaber from Vader's Vault. This one has a crystal focus 10 in it. Let's take a close look at the tip. Looks pretty good from my angle. I'm going to take a look at it in the mirror here. Make sure that looks really, really good for Eric. Make sure everything's working properly. Let's go ahead and change the color. That's a really vibrant green. Almost yellow. Nice bright white flash on clash on this color. Really good color to test with. I see there's a lot of diodes on here. We've got both red and green diodes. So there are over 600 diodes on right now. Let's change colors. Oh, that white actually looks pretty good. Oh, the blue looks great. This is maybe more of a sky blue. Looks like more than just the blue LEDs are on to my eye. Now, TRI-STARs are not for dueling. It's a triangular formation of 3 strips of LEDs, and it's not too flexible, so we don't recommend dueling with it. But you can certainly swing it around. It looks like a real lightsaber to me. All right, let's go ahead and check out the other TRI-STAR for Eric. That one is a 7/8. So whereas this one is a 1-inch blade thickness all the way down, the 7/8 is slightly thinner, and it actually looks pretty cool. So let's take a look at that TRI-STAR next. So I am using a 7/8 blade adapter to turn the space in my Graflex lightsaber from a 1-inch blade opening to a 7/8. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Same lightsaber as before, just a different TRI-STAR. Oh yeah. So we've got that same color blue that we left off with before, and just looks really, really cool. Looks kind of like a Clone Wars era lightsaber blade width, right? There's a little less diffusion, obviously, in a 7/8 inch blade where we still have 3 strips of LEDs to make this TRI-STAR. It actually looks quite smooth. I'm very happy with the way that looks. I'm going to take a look at the tip in the mirror. That looks great as well. Yeah, I was telling Darth Reese that I'm actually going to make myself a 7/8, or he's going to make it for me, because I really like the way that these 7/8 look in person. They kind of look like a smooth laser beam, you know, like the lightsabers from the Rebel show, or the lightsabers from the Clone Wars cartoon. They look really cool. So I'm going to change the color here. Oh, both of these look fun. That one looks cool. That one looks that one looks crazy. It looks photonic. I want to see that other blue, but this looks crazy. There's an aura around this blade. Very, very electric green, very vibrant green there. But let's go ahead and see that cyan that I passed by, because I like that too. This one. Yeah, I don't know. This looks kind of very like Empire Strikes Back to me. I really like it. Got my Empire Strikes Back style Graflex, and this color just reminded me of that. Oh, the red. This really looks like Darth Vader red. I think I do have a little bit of crimson mixed in with this red, or there's some kind of swing bright feature. I don't know, but it just looks really like a real Sith lightsaber blade to me. Super white flash on clash strobe effect on this Crystal Focus 10. Well, thank you for checking out this video. Eric, thank you for the double TRI-STAR blade order. Really excited to ship these 2 blades out to you tomorrow. If you like this video, push that thumbs up button. It really helps Civilized Sabers. Really helps bring people to our videos when you hit that thumbs up button. Ooh, this straight green is really something special. Subscribe right here to Civilized Sabers for more blade videos like this one. We do a lightsaber blade review for every single blade that we make, and we'll see you in the next one.
I have something here for you. It's the weapon of a Jedi.